Students, in this video, we can discuss about advantages and disadvantages of dead-end system of water supply. The dead-end system, it is also called as a tree system. There is one main supply pipe from which originates a sub-main pipe. Each sub-main is then divided into several branch pipes called laterals. From the lateral service connection are given to the consumers. In this arrangement, there are some advantages and disadvantages. First, we will discuss about the advantages. The distribution network can be solved easily, and it is possible to easily and accurately calculate the discharge and pressure at different points in the system. In the explanation, I mentioned that the water should be reached till the end of the system. The water should be in the same pressure as the people or the people is getting in the starting point. It should be same, and the quantity also should be same. So here it is a possible to get the water, sufficient water, as well as with the pressure. Pressure is also important. And second is shorter pipe length are needed, and laying of pipe is very easy in this system. In the dead-end system, the small length pipe is needed because there are many branches and sub pipelines will be connected from the main line. That's why small length of pipe is required, and laying of pipe is also very easy. And the third advantage is the cutoff wall required is less, as there is a sub pipeline and branches of pipelines are there we can reduce the number of walls in the system. And the fourth is it is cheap and simple and can be extended easily. It is very cheap because only maximum the pipeline arrangement will be there in the system, as it contains the less number of walls. So where the maintenance is easy there, the cost of the project also easy, because here only the maximum pipes are used. And disadvantages, there are numerous dead ends in this system which prevent the free circulation of water. Second, in this system, the discharge is reaching a point from only one direction. The supply during firefighting cannot be increased by diverting any other supplies from the other side. In the case of the during firefighting, we cannot able to divert the water by controlling in other pipelines. Third one is, in this method, water can reach a particular point only through one route. In a damage or repair in any pipelines will completely stop the system in the area fed by that pipe, because there is an arrangement of the sub pipeline and branch pipeline. The many branches are connected to the sub pipeline. In this connection, if there is a damage or repair in the sub pipeline, the entire all branches, the entire system, which is depend on the sub pipeline, uh, the total area will be affected, and totally the water supply will be stopped. So this is the advantages and disadvantages of the